Hello everyone, Virgo Sewing here, bringing you a video on this machine which I've been working on all day, which is the Singer Stylist 513. It's a very nice machine, I would say. This one is in great condition. There are two things that I'll show you quickly which were giving me trouble, which I didn't initially think of. Well, no one thinks of these kinds of things when they first look at a machine that looks like this, but the gear on the underside, which connects the feed dog mechanism to the needle bar mechanism, was broken. You might be able to see that there are a couple of teeth on the gear missing. Luckily I had one in my parts. I've installed the new gear and I reset the feed dog timing and it works wonderfully. The second thing was that once I took off the hand wheel, I realized that there was a crack, a very visible one on the outside here, and the same crack here and another crack here. And this probably wouldn't bother anybody for a while, but after years of use, it would likely develop into a bigger problem with more cracks, and I didn't want to sell anyone a machine with a cracked hand wheel. So I have another hand wheel on here which works just lovely, and now the machine is complete. I've cleaned everything, oiled everything, greased the gears, I've reset the hook timing, the bobbin case is cleaned, the tension assembly I took apart to polish the discs. Everything is working just wonderfully. The motor is cleaned as well, and I'm going to show you how to thread it quickly. And I apologize that I don't have a better view here. My tripod is elsewhere, and so is my light. You take your class 66 bobbin. I use a plastic bobbin in this case because the bobbin case is plastic. Drop it in with the thread going counterclockwise. Get it through the first groove on the right and bring it out to the next groove, which is just on the left, and close up your slide plate with the thread coming out of this little hole here. For the top thread, bring it over to this first thread guide, between the tension discs, catch the spring over this guide here, bring the thread into this holder again here, through the take-up lever, through this thread guide on the faceplate, and there are two thread guides here, one which is a metal wire, and the last one is just above the needle. And last but not least, we will thread the needle. And to drop our bobbin thread, we bring the needle down and up. Now we are ready to sew. I've got a size 14 needle in here with a medium weight cotton, and we will just take it from there. We'll check our tension. Tension's looking wonderful. Could be a tad higher. Wonderful. And now I will show you the zigzag stitch that this machine makes. Put it to the widest zigzag, and I will put down the stitch length to a medium. Check our tension, because I find that some machines prefer a slightly different tension on their zigzag. And lastly, I will show you the blind stitch setting, which is really nice for hemming pants and things like that. And last but not least, I'll go back to the straight stitch and show you the reverse. You can also do your straight stitching you can change the needle position so that if you want to straight stitch towards the left or straight stitch towards the right, you can do so. Other than that, that's all I have with this machine. You can adjust your presser foot tension with this dial up here. For lighter fabrics, I usually have it heavier. I keep it heavy most of the time, and if I have very thick fabrics, sometimes I will loosen it. That's all for this lovely Singer Stylist 513. It comes with a boatload of attachments, which I will include in the ad. Other than that, thank you for watching.